What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're going to attempt a Dollar Tree yarn framed art. I had to slow roll that one. Okay, guys. So all the items I'm going to use is going to be from Dollar Tree, or you should be able to find them from Dollar Tree. So you already see I got the yarn, and obviously I got the frame, but you're also going to need probably hot glue or that Mod Podge glue, some form of glue, guys, a strong glue that could hold the yarn, scissors and all that stuff. But once again, everything can be found at Dollar Tree. So let's get started, guys. My first round of supplies to get this project started. Yes. Okay, first things first, take the backing from your frame. And then you could choose if you want it vertical or horizontal. I'm doing mine's horizontal. And then I'm taking my first piece of yarn so I can measure how long I want each piece of yarn for this particular thing. Because I want to cover the back with this color yarn first. So measure that piece, cut it, and then I'll show you the next step. Once you get the measurement of the string for your back of your frame, your backing thing, then just use that piece as your little marker or example and cut the remaining of your yarn to that length. Once you have your strips of yarn cut, then we're going to take our glue. I've already started here. And we're going to just apply a thick enough. Make sure it's enough so that the yarn can soak into the glue and have a better secure stay. And just going to plot it all the way down. And then, of course, we're going to apply the yarn onto it. And kind of go faster than what I'm doing. Oh, Jesus, help us. Can we just say thank God for Jesus on all my projects? But just make sure it's thick enough. I'm going to try, since it's kind of wide, I'm going to try to at least do 2 with that length and just keep going down, guys. I'm slower than molasses. How about that? Sister is putting glue down. Why is it taking you 5 years, Jesus? Why? Oh, okay. Oh, Jesus. Y'all know this. Why don't I use my tripod? Tripod. I'm glad the person in the back asked that awesome question. I don't know why, guys. Because I'm special. No, I do know why. Because when I want it. Alrighty then. Because when I want to get close shots, I don't want to have to be maneuvering with no goddamn tripod. How about that? This is behind the scenes, guys. So anyway, you just lay it down as such. And boom. Now, of course, you already know if you need more glue, go and holler at it. And don't worry about if this piece, as this one is, you could trim up your edges once you finish your project. So I'm going to continue laying down, oh my God, Father, the pieces of yarn. And then I'll be right back, guys. Alrighty. So the next step, all I did was take my brown yarn, or whatever color you want, and then I made it big enough. As y'all see, I'm doing a rainbow. Maybe you can't see. Made it big enough and try to center it as best as I could, because y'all, it was not easy. And then I just tapped some glue underneath to fix it, to attach it to the background. So I'm going to let that dry before adding my the next brown pieces to make it a little thicker. Then I'll be back, guys. And there you have it, guys. The finished product. Y'all already know. Let's see it together. I love it. I think it is so freaking cute, guys. Now, this one was time consuming, but I finished it within a day. I think if I was more consistent and did it like, you know, just all in one sitting, it probably would have roughly taken me probably 3 hours maybe. But yeah, it was kind of tedious, but to me, well worth it. So here you go, guys. And of course, y'all could create any yarn art that you see fit or whatever. But I had already, in my mind, knew what I wanted to do. And I feel like this is simple, too. But, yeah. And the heart, oh, my God. It's too cute. I was going to actually do words, but the way that glue is set up, I won't finna mess with no words, okay, guys? So I would love to see y'all creations or what have you. I hope y'all actually try this simple and easy but time-consuming project. So as always, thank you guys for watching this video. If y'all haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. Bam.